Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been quite some time since I've posted on here, but let's just go ahead and give this another shot. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. This will be a voiceover, so just be a little patient with me. This set will actually be a very natural but wet and wispy look. The client here, which is actually my daughter, she actually does not like anything too dramatic, too full. So when I do her lashes, I do not lash every single lash. We already know the way her eyes are and what she likes, so I basically do about, I want to say, maybe 75%. As you can see, as we move on a little bit more, you'll be able to notice that I don't lash every single lash. Also, in this set, I will be doing only all closed fans. These will all be wet spikes. I did try to go ahead and record when I made the spikes too, but my camera did not catch it. So in another video, I will go ahead and make another video showing you guys how I made the wet spikes for this look. And also, I did try to show you guys the products that I used in this video, but for some reason, when I put the products under the camera, it just did not catch it. So I will go ahead and just show you guys as we move on, and once we get to the parts where I'm showing you guys what I used, I will go ahead and just put it in the top corner. That way you guys can go ahead and see which products were used in this video. Sorry that it's a little shaky. I have my fan connected to my lamp, so yeah, that's the reason why. But right here, I will be going to mark her with my surgical skin marker. This you can actually find on Amazon. I will go ahead and link it down below. But where I'm marking is basically where I'm going to apply the smallest, and then also where the arch is going to go up. So in this set, I use sizes 9, 11, and 13. So the first mark is where I marked where I will stop using the 9s, and then where I will begin to use the 11s, and then the second mark is where I will start to apply where I place the 13. I actually mix it up with some 11s as well. That way it gives it sort of like a wispy wettish look, and it's not just all one size. So I do just throw in a few 11s in there. I sort of don't really mark it on the map. I sort of just let the lash gods tell me exactly where to place it, and I just make sure to check where I'm placing the fans too with the mirror to make sure that everything basically looks aligned and looks really good. Right here, I will be applying some tape. This is actually not the next character tape. I actually received this tape when I purchased lashes from Lashed with Nikki. She included it as like a free gift, and honestly, this tape is not sticky at all. So when I do remove the iPad, it just sort of just lifts off so smoothly and so easy, and does not really tug or pull on anything. So that tape is actually really, really good. In this set, I will be using two different brands of lashes. I will be going in with 0.3 cc in 9s and 11s, only because I like to do a very light weight, since a lot of us do have very weak inner corners. So I always think it's best to put 0.3 since it's a very lightweight lash, especially if you're doing heavy. But yeah, so 0.3 for 9s and 11s in this set. The lashes that I will be using will be Lashed with Nikki for those numbers. Also for the 13s, I will be using Lashed by B. And the reason why I used two different ones was because I really wanted to try the Lashed by B lashes, which I actually just purchased for the first time. The only thing is that her lashes, she did not have 12s available. At the time when I purchased, they were sold out. But I'm pretty sure the reason she didn't have any in stock was probably because I purchased during Black Friday. So I will be checking again in about maybe a few days to just see if she did put size 12 and then also the 9s through 11s back in stock. Yeah, so right here I will be just taking out any ingrowns, I mean outgrowns, ingrowns. I'll just be taking out any outgrowns. She doesn't have too many, surprisingly. Um, the set actually is pretty good. She has a lot still locked in. She does actually play soccer, so she is always sweating, which surprisingly she does have a lot of lashes for about 2 weeks. This set actually did take us maybe about an hour, so it wasn't long at all, especially with a lash bath, removal, and apply. So yeah, I want to say maybe it probably took me about 35 to 40 minutes. I do want to let you guys know what actually helps you tremendously when applying and for something for speed, if you're looking for speed, is you want to go ahead and get a wrist lash tray. So what I do, I actually keep the lashes on my hand, my like forehand, and it's sort of like a wrap. So I'll go ahead and link it down below on exactly what I use. And honestly, if you're looking to become faster, this is probably the best thing out there. And by having the wrist tray like on your hand, especially doing a wet set, it helps so much with speed because if you think about it, you're just grabbing the lash from the tray on your hand, and if you also do use a glue ring, that is also on the same hand. So when you pick the lashes from the lash strip and then dip and then apply, it's just so quick. It honestly, instead of just grabbing it from the side and then you gotta lift and dip and then apply, like it, trust me, just try it. See if you like it. If it might be a little difficult at first because you'll probably be so used to using the tray on the side, but I guarantee you your lash sets will become a lot faster. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try, guys. Like, just purchased one. I want to say they're probably about like $5, maybe even 3. I don't really know, but I will go ahead and link it down below. Doesn't hurt to try. And I mean, if you like it, buy more. I mean, I have probably like 30 of them here. So, and I will also make another video on how I clean them, which is very easy. But yeah, so just go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video, and I will jump back in if there is something else I need to point out. If not, I hope you guys enjoy this. And this is a different angle, but this is what you want to make sure that there's no lashes twisting to the other direction and that everything is basically lined up. But it looked good to me. So from here, I am going to go ahead and remove the iPads. But right here is actually a different angle of me checking to see if everything looked good. I was actually recording with my iPad. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the iPads and let me just show you how smoothly the iPad and the tape remove from the eyes. It just is literally like butter. And I honestly feel like it's the client's either favorite part or the least favorite part is when you remove the tape. But honestly, this tape, literally removes like butter. Like, isn't that so satisfying? But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Just make sure to like and also comment any suggestions, video suggestions, and I hope that you guys will subscribe. Here I am actually just applying some mist, which is distilled water, just to cure the glue, make sure it's in place. But yeah, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.